All right. Hi, guys. Happy Friday. It is Friday, and Friday is a great day. It is the end of the week, and tomorrow's Halloween. All right. I hope you guys are having a great day. All right. It looks like we have 6 cookies for 2 students. We have 6 cookies for 2 students, and they just want to know the rate. The rate is like it is what it is. Like it's the recipe, the amount they give us. It's just what it is. So the rate is 6 to 2, or 6 to 2, or 6 to 2. Okay? I just want to go ahead and write it like that. Now, order matters, okay? So it couldn't be 2 to 6 because that would mean 2 cookies for 6 students. You want to make sure that these go in order. So 6 cookies is first. 2 students is second. So it's 6 to 2, 6 to 2, or 6 to 2. All right? It would not be 2 to 6. That's wrong. All right? It would not be 2 to 6. All right? Now, the unit rate means that you have to get to 1, okay? So it's something to 1, all right? So if it's 1 student, it would only be 3 cookies, okay? So it's 3 cookies for 1 student. All right, good job. All right, here we go. So we have this grid, and it's a 10 by 10. So it's like 10 down and 10 across, all right? And they want to know what the fraction is. And the fraction is the part that's shaded. So if each bar is 10, it's 10, 20, 30, 40. So it's 40 over 100. So it's 40 shaded to the total, which is 100. Or you can look at 4 out of the 10 bars. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 bars out of the total, which is 10. Okay? So either one would be fine. All right, the decimal is 40 hundredths, so that's what 40 hundredths looks like, or it could be 4 tenths. That's what 4 tenths looks like. This is the tenths place, tenths. This is the hundredths place right here, all right? And the ratio is 40 over 100, and the percent is always out of 100. Percent per 100 per 100. So it's 40%. Okay? All right, good job. Next one. All right, $70 for 8 dinners, okay? So the rate is just what it is, just like I told you. It's 70 to 8, or 70 to 8, or 70 to 8, okay? But you got to make sure that you put in the right order. 70 is first, so 70 has to go first, okay? The unit rate means that you have to get to 1, okay? Somehow we got to get to 1. So in order to get to 1, we want to do cost divided by item. Okay, so the cost is $70 divided by 80, or 8, I'm sorry, 70 divided by 8. 8 goes into 70. Let's see here. 8 times 8 is 64. Subtract, you get 6. Okay, decimal points. There's a 0. Bring that down. 8 goes into 60. 7 times 8 is 56. Subtract is 4. Bring down the next 0. 8 goes into 45 times. Okay? So one dinner is $8.75. One dinner is $8.75. Okay? All right, good job. Keep going. You can do it. The fraction is the part that's shaded. So there's only 3 out of 100 pieces that are shaded. Okay? And the decimal, you need a decimal, is in the hundredths spot. So it's 0.3 hundredths. That's like you have 3 pennies out of $1. Like $1's 100 cents. You have 3 pennies out of $1. 0.03, like 3 cents. Okay? Now the ratio is 3 to 100. And the percent is always out of 100, so it's just 3%. Okay? All right. Next side. All right, 8 tickets for $44. So the rate is 8 to 44. Okay. The unit rate means that we have to get to 1. Unit means 1. And you do that by doing cost divided by item. So your cost is 44 divided by 8. How many times is 8 going to 44? Well, shoot. 8 times 5 is 40. subtract, you have 4. Well, there's a decimal. This is no problem. We just add a 0. 8 goes into 40 5 times. 5 times 8 is 40, and we're done. So it's $5.50 to 1. So $5.50 for a ticket to 1. Okay? All right, the fraction is the part that's shaded. So it's 10, 20, 21, 22, 23 out of the total, which is 100. The decimal means it's 0.23 because it's 0.23 or 23 hundredths. Okay? The ratio is 23 over 100. And the percent, like I told you before, it's always out of 100. So it's just 23%. Okay? Good job. All right. Complete the ratio table. All right. So a triangle is worth 3, and then a square is worth 4. Okay. Love it. And they give us these fractions below too. 3/4 equals 6 something, right? Well, let's look at the pattern. 3 times 2 is 6, therefore 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times what is 12? 3 times 4 is 12, so therefore 4 times 4 is 16. Okay? All right, just like up here. 3 times what is 6? 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Good job. So this is like 1 batch, 2 batches. Let's see what this is. Go back to the original. 3 times something will give you this. Well, 4 times what is 12? 3. So it must be 3 times 3, which is 9. Okay? All right, now we're getting to 15. So go back to the original. 3 times what is 15? 5. 4 times 5 then is 20. Okay? So it looks like for this one, we want to multiply it by 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 4 then would be 16. Okay? So it's like you always look back at the original. The original saying 3 times 2, 3 times 3, 3 times 4, 3 times 5. Okay? Go back to the original. 4 times 2, 4 times 3, 4 times 4, 4 times 5. Okay? So those are all of your numbers that need to go into your ratio table. All right. Have a good night. Bye.